Imagine a person lying in coma for 13 years. No movement, no response, just the machines keeping him alive. Now the Supreme Court of India has taken a historic decision by letting him to die with dignity. But wait, is this mercy killing legal in India or is it something else? Let's break it down. Hello everyone, this is Advocate Thompson Tijay and today we are going to discuss about a very sensitive and heartbreaking decision given by the Supreme Court of India. The case of Harish Rana, a man who remained in coma for more than 13 years. Harish Rana was just a young student when in 2013 he had a severe brain injury after falling down from a building. Since then, he remained in a permanent vegetative state, completely dependent on life support. For 13 long years, his parents took care of him, emotionally, physically and financially. Finally, they approached the Supreme Court of India with a heartbreaking request to allow withdrawal of life support. In March 2026, the Supreme Court of India delivered a historic judgment. Firstly, it allowed withdrawal of life-sustaining treatment. And secondly, permitting what is legally called as passive euthanasia, ensuring the patient can die with dignity. This is considered as the first direct implementation of passive euthanasia in India. Now listen carefully. This is not active mercy killing. The court did not allow injecting something to cause death. This is still illegal in India. What did the court allow? It allowed passive euthanasia, meaning removal of medical treatment or stopping life support. This is already recognized under Article 21, right to life, which also includes right to die with dignity. This judgment is based on earlier landmark rulings. Firstly, Aruna Shanbaug case of 2011, first recognition of passive euthanasia. Common cause case of 2018, recognized living wills and right to die with dignity. 2023 modification, simplified procedure. And now in 2026, the Supreme Court has finally applied these three principles in a real case. The court has directed that the medical board will supervise the entire procedure, the patient will be shifted to palliative care, and life support will be withdrawn gradually and ethically, and the entire procedure will ensure the person will die with dignity and no suffering. This case is not just legal, it's emotional. The family has suffered for 13 long years waiting for recovery, but they choose dignity over prolonged suffering. This judgment raises serious questions. Firstly, what is life without consciousness? Secondly, who decides when suffering should end? And finally, can law balance emotions, ethics, and medicines? Not everyone agrees with this. Some say that it can be misused. The poor and elderly people can be pressurized. Others say that it is humane and it respects dignity and it ends the meaningless suffering. The Supreme Court has not legalized mercy killing in a strict sense, but it has taken a bold step towards compassionate justice. And this case will remain a milestone not only in the Indian Constitution but also in the medical law. So what do you think? Is this a right decision or just a dangerous precedent? Comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more legal updates. Till then, see you again. Goodbye.